So for the icp5 CNN, that is classification of neural networks, here I am changing the hyperparameters of the text classification and comparing it with different optimizers. So here first I am using Adam optimizer, and I have changed the hyperparameters, that is filter size to from 456 to 123, number of filters from 256 to 64, then dropout probability, and number of epochs from 100 to 300, etc. So I've changed all the parameters given in the question, and then trying to run this. So here I am using TensorFlow, because TensorFlow 1.1, because I was getting some parse errors in TensorFlow 1.6, so I have downgraded to TensorFlow 1.1. So we can see for the Adam optimizer, we have for 100 iterations, we have loss of 0.313 and accuracy of 0.75. Next, I'm doing for RMS prop optimizer. Next, I'm doing for RMS prop optimizer. Here, I'm changing the filter size from 123 to 56, and the number of filters from 64 to 128, and dropout probability to 0.6, and number of epochs from 100 to 300. This is for RMS prop optimizer, and I'm saving this and then running it. So for 300 iterations, we can see that the loss is 0.1 in case of RMS prop optimizer, and accuracy is 1. Now I'm running for Adagrad optimizers. I have changed the hyperparameters and running for 100 iterations, and for Adagrad optimizer. Here I'm running for Adagrad optimizer. Sorry, Adagrad optimizer. So here we can see the loss is 0.87, accuracy is 0.5 for 100 iterations in case of Adagrad optimizer. Similarly for the gradient descent optimizer, here I am changing the filter size from 56 to 123, and number of filters remaining all I'm giving the same. Here number of epochs I'm taking as 2, and then I'm saving it and running it. I logged all these values in an Excel sheet, and I'm also observations also I'm including the file in the GitHub folder, observation graphs. So here if you see the step for the 200 iteration, the loss is 0.523 and accuracy is 0.75 in case of gradient descent optimizer.